Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view the VCT schedules on Valorant itself. So if you go to the esports page here, you'll be able to see the overview. Next up, it's Wolves versus Gen G, and then after that is Paper X versus Sentinels. I am very excited in watching that match, and I am rooting for Paper X. I know, I'm sorry, Sentinels, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope they win. But you know, Sentinels, they're good too. So you can also see it in the overview, but you can also see it in the schedule tab here. You'll see it, I think, according to your time zone already. It's like already set to it. So I can't wait to watch Paper X at 2 a.m. Yeah, I would. Yeah, no, that's not a problem at all. So hopefully they don't go to a lot of overtimes because I would be stressed because I would be stressed out. But anyways, that is how you can view the Valorant Champions Tour 2025 schedule. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!